Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a darker image brighten in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software. We can see here the darker image. You want to make the image brighter, go to the image option, go to the adjustment and select this color or the level option. Now I am seeing this level. We can see here decrease the level. Now I am increase the level of the image. Then go to the layer option. We can see here the many level eye button. Now I am open or mute the eye. Now we can see we make a darker image whiten or brighten very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.